Welcome back to the channel, 9 Dimes Project. This video in our series of credit scores or building your credit is how to build credit at 18 with $0. I'm going to take you step by step. All right, so covered in last week's video why credit is a scam. You still need a good credit score. Credit scores measure how profitable you are to the lenders. 5 factors matter: pay on time, 35% of your score, and so on and so forth. Today we're going to talk about building credit from zero. You're 18, no credit history, no money. Let's go. All right, first method is become an authorized user. Ask your parent or guardian to add you to their credit card. You inherit their credit history. You might not want it if they don't have good credit. You might be better off starting on your own, but we'll see about that. You don't need to use the credit card. Their good history, let's hope they have good credit, becomes your good credit. And the requirements are they must have good credit and be paying on time, so on and so forth. This is the fastest method. All right, so method 2, you get a secured credit card. Deposit $200 to $500. That becomes your credit limit. So here's an example. You deposit $300. $300 is your credit limit. And you use it like a regular card, and you pay it off every month. After 6 to 12 months, they refund your deposit and convert it to a regular credit card. Some of the best secured cards are Discover and Capital One. Your credit history starts building immediately. Method number 3, student credit cards. If you're in college, qualify for student cards. They have lower requirements and they expect no history. You get lower limits, $500 to maybe $1,500. Examples: Discover It student, Chase Freedom student. Requirements: proof of enrollment and some income, a job, or some money that you get regularly, financial aid. All right, so method 4, credit builder loan. Bank loans that'll give you $500 to $1,000. They hold it in a savings account, and you make monthly payments for 12 months. After 12 months, you get the money back, and you're paying interest to build your credit. Only use if you can't be an authorized user, or you can't get a secured card. It's not the best method, but it is a method. So the rules: how to actually build your score: pay in full every month, don't carry a balance from month to month, keep your utilization 30% or less. If the limit is $300, spend $90 max. Set up auto pay, never miss a payment. Use your card monthly. even if it's just for a small subscription. Wait 6 to 12 months, check your score. Alright, so now you know how to build your credit from zero. Next week in part 3, I'm going to answer a big question. Are credit cards your secret weapon or your downfall? That's coming up Monday. Don't forget to check out our free tools. Links in the description. We got wealth building tools. We got a wealth building calculator. Got 30-day money challenge. So if you're an educator watching this and you want to teach this to your students, budgeting, saving, side businesses, investing, all of that, we have our Financial Foundations Accelerator. It's an 8-week curriculum with lesson plans, student workbooks, all 12 of our wealth building tools, and everything you need to teach financial literacy without spending months creating it yourself. It's really a system that actually pays for itself the more you use it. All right. Links in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.